Hello, my name is Oluwaseun from Arknote Academy, founded by Arknote Media Global. In today's tutorial, we'll be taking you on a journey on how to design a product flyer within 5 minutes. Do you know, education is beyond just going to school to get a degree, because there is life after school. Do not wait for any government to provide an opportunity for you. Create that opportunity now. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, turn on that notification bell to receive an update from us whenever we upload new videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Yeah, so today we are designing a product flyer. Okay, so let's go on. Control T. So you drag from the diagonal. So after dragging from the diagonal, you pick gradient. Yeah, so choose the color that actually fits with, that will definitely blend with the package you are designing. Do you get? So since we have a touch of green, so that is why I actually picked green and the dark green. So select radius for your gradients. Do you get? So radius, not linear. So after that, select all the products, select all, Ctrl T, then you extract it, and at the same time you can still construct it from the diagonal. So after that, okay, so we want to add Arknote social handle to the flyer. Yeah, so okay, so create a rectangle shape, so make it white, blends together with the design. So Ctrl T for you to enlarge the text, Ctrl T, then you drag from the diagonal. Okay, yeah, so yeah, so still moving, just for me to have a perfect and a unique design. So for the word packaging design, I use Oxford fonts, and you can use impact fonts too, but for Arknote I use Neza fonts. Yeah, so that's that. So I want to add my logo, so like the logo brand by the side. Yeah, so now we want to make a reflection, at the down part of it. So select all the products, the 3 products, group them, then convert to smart objects. So Ctrl T, so you click on so you have to convert it vertically. Do you get? So drag it down. Yeah, drag it down. So we just want to make a reflection. Do you get? So it's just a reflection of the object. You get? So it looks more realistic. Yeah, so reduce it. Yeah, take it under, then yeah, so we want to blend it. Yeah, so we are using the gradients tool now. Yeah, so reduce the opacity, so it's like, looks like a reflection rather. Yeah, so we want it to come out a little bit. Okay, okay, so this is another product design that has been made initially. So to change the background is still the same process. Duplicate the gradient, which is Ctrl J. So pick the color you have on your product so you can have everything blends together. Yeah. Okay. So you can even copy the color code that I use for your own design as well. Kindly like, comment, share, and especially subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do ensure to turn on the notification bell for more updates. This is Arknote Academy.